One of the most common complaints I see in my acupuncture clinic is that of people who can't sleep properly. They have difficulty either getting off to sleep at night, or they wake up in the middle of the night and they can't get back to sleep again. Often people say, "Oh, I just can't sleep. I'm so exhausted. My mind is so busy. So many thoughts going around and round in my head. I wish I could sleep because I just wake up the next day and I feel exhausted." Other people will say, "I just feel so stressed. I wake up in the middle of the night. There's nothing I can do to get back to sleep. I haven't got a clue what to do. And then I get really anxious because I know I've got loads of stuff to do the next day." So if any of this sounds familiar to you, then this is the subject of today's video. And I'm going to be showing you how to use Qigong to tackle and help to manage insomnia and difficulties with sleeping. My name is Janice Tucker and I'm a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and medical Qigong. I'm also the founder of the Space to Relax online program of Qigong video lessons. And just before we get started, if I can ask you, if you're watching this video on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future videos, because I publish lots of healthy, useful tips on a regular basis. So if you don't want to miss out on those, hit the red subscribe button now. So the problem is that people suffer with sleep difficulties and insomnia. But the question is, why do we suffer from this? Why is it such a common problem? In Chinese medicine terms, problems with sleep are often to do with having a calm mind or a lack of a calm mind. Our minds are too busy. In order to sleep from a Chinese medicine point of view, you need a calm and peaceful mind. When the mind is calm, then the body is able to settle, relax, and rest. If our mind is too busy, if we have too many thoughts going on in our minds, then the mind is not able to settle and rest. So sleep is not going to happen. So the focus when trying to adjust or manage sleep problems in Chinese medicine is often to do with helping the person to calm their mind. So that's how we get around this. This is how we manage sleep difficulties. So one of the solutions you can use in order to deal with sleep difficulties is to practice some Qigong. Qigong lends itself very well to helping you to sleep because by its nature it is mind calming. Those of you who've done any Qigong with me before or watched any of my videos and practiced will realise that very quickly your mind can become calm. And it kind of works in two ways. Firstly, on the physical level, a lot of the movements that we practice in Qigong help to smooth the flow of energy or Qi throughout the body. And this has a calming effect. When everything is smooth and relaxed, physically speaking, then the mind is actually becoming much calmer as that all happens as well. So there's a knock-on effect from the physical to the more mental and emotional state of your mind. The second way in which Qigong works is through the breath. And anyone who's practiced abdominal breathing, the basic foundation of Qigong, will realize that that breath is very calming. So with abdominal breathing, as you breathe in, your belly expands like blowing up a balloon. And as you breathe out, the belly shrinks. And what happens there as you practice in and out, is that the breath starts to slow down. And as the breath starts to slow down, the mind starts to slow down and stops being so busy, so frantic, so hectic with those kind of million thoughts zooming around all at one time. So with Qigong, all you need to do, really all you need to do, is practice before you go into bed at night. Or as you're lying there when you go into bed, just practice doing the abdominal breath. If you want to practice during the day as well, practice some moving Qigong exercises because that will have a knock-on effect into the night time. So literally 5 minutes of Qigong as you go into bed will really have a significant impact on your ability to get off to sleep at night. The second thing for those people who wake up in the middle of the night is, again, just bring yourself back to the abdominal breath and say to yourself, I'm breathing in, And as you breathe out, say to yourself, relax, and just visualize yourself sinking deeper into the bed, your body having more contact with the surface of the mattress. And that focus of just saying to yourself, I'm breathing in, and as you breathe out, saying to yourself, relax, will take your mind away from any thoughts that are going around in your head and quickly bring you back into a state where you can get back to sleep. So where do you go from here? There are 3 things you can do to help yourself using Qigong. The first thing is head over to my homepage, which is spacetorelax.com. And if you scroll down to the bottom of that homepage, you'll see that you can sign up for a free audio meditation, which is called Calm Your Busy Mind in 8 minutes. So once you sign up for that, it will be sent through to your email. You can download it very quickly, listen to it on your phone, on your iPad, and you can use that as you go into bed at night. And this is the perfect visualization exercise for you to help you to get off to sleep or to get back to sleep if you wake up in the middle of the night. You'll also see on my homepage that you can sign up for a free 3-part Qigong video series. And there you'll find the abdominal breathing exercise and a couple of other fantastic exercises to smooth the flow of Qi throughout your body. The second thing you can do is don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there are lots of videos on there that help you with calming your mind. So if you subscribe and then have a browse through the videos on that channel or on my blog on the Space to Relax homepage, you'll see there are lots of lovely mind calming exercises there. And the third thing you can do is head over to Facebook and join the Space to Relax free group. So there I post lots of regular information and videos about Qigong, about health in general. And in that group, you'll see there are lots and lots of people who are sharing their experiences and talking about what works best for them. So you might find that group very helpful if you want to be part of a Qigong community. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helps you with sleeping. I know it's such a common problem, so I'd love to hear how you get on with this. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, hit the like page and leave me a comment and let me know what you use to help you to get off to sleep at night.